As I was saying, a lot of snow has melted down because of the bit of warming up yesterday, and the snow, if you can hear the sound, the chirping sound, that's the thing of the hardening of the snow. But this is our backyard. As it looks from behind. Have you seen? This is a mark of an animal. I didn't see this. This is a mark of an animal. See this? That could be some animal going in. Two different marks. One is this mark, like a thin strip. That looks to be quite a big animal. Might be a dog, I think. So like you can see it went over there. But anyway, see this one. I don't know if it is visible, but this is how it looks behind. All the plants, as you can see, are all frozen with the cold. The only thing remaining in is these. The green ones are the roses, and see all snow around. And the backyard there's a lot of snow on the roof. And as I say, today morning I had to work a lot on the driveway. You can see there's a lot of black ice up here. I had to clear up a lot of that. You can see there's chunks of, especially out here, I broke with my hand. Didn't have anything. Even this area, the whole thing was broken with the hand. But basically it is how it looks once in few years when we get so much of snow, and once in a whole lot of time and once in like 5 or 10 years when it snowed on a Christmas day. So that's what it is. Take some of the snaps now, and be good to take care of this once in a lifetime event, as you want to call it as.